Out of the secrets Israel holds, this Israeli tank has shocked Hamas, Iran, Russia, and China. Let us take you to this mind-blowing military wizardry. To know more about these exclusive secrets, subscribe to our channel. Every like for the video makes us dig deeper. Keep supporting. Why did Hamas, Iran, Russia, and China collectively take special interest in this one tank? Can one tank really change how nations plan their defense strategies? Hamas, Iran, Russia, and China are the countries with impeccable defense strategies and weapons. Do they believe that this single secret tank of Israel will defeat Hamas's Ayash 250, one of Hamas' longest-range rockets? Russia is startled despite of having the S-400 Triumph, an advanced long-range surface-to-air missile system. China feels threatened even after having the Dongfeng 41, China's most advanced intercontinental ballistic missile. Why does this single tank make Iran feel defenseless even after having the Bavar 373, Iran's long-range air defense system? Well, if the tank makes all these countries curious, the power of the tank is beyond our guess. This mysterious secret tank is the Merkava main battle tanks. These tanks were developed by the Israelis in the late 1970s. The word Merkava means chariot in the Hebrew language. The tanks are designed for survivability, crew safety, and urban or western desert warfare. The making and the intentions behind it reflect Israel's combat environment. There are incredible features that make the Merkava main battle tanks unique. One outstanding feature of these tanks is the engine-in-front design. Unlike most tanks, the engine is at the front. This adds an extra layer of protection for the crew. This brilliant move also allows the rear to be used as infantry transport space, which makes the tank almost like a mini APC. Another amazing Merkava feature is APS, which is the Active Protection System. It is the world's first operational active protection system, which provides 360-degree coverage. This technology makes the Merkava 4 extremely difficult to kill, even by modern guided weapons. It detects and intercepts incoming missiles and rockets in real time. Very few weapons have this feature inbuilt, and hence this has stunned groups like Hamas and Hezbollah, who use anti-tank guided missiles. This feature enhances situational awareness, allowing faster and smarter decision-making. The Israeli tanks stood out for this reason. These Merkava tanks are battle-proven. They have been used in Lebanon, Gaza, and numerous regional conflicts, adding to the real-world experience as a major plus. And most importantly, these machineries are being updated constantly based on updated frontline feedback. The latest variant in the Merkava series is the Merkava Mark Dirt Barak. The features of this machinery include AI and sensors to identify and prioritize threats. It includes a 360-degree battlefield awareness system and is designed for multi-domain warfare, integrating air, ground, and cyber components. No wonder countries like China, Russia, Iran, and Hamas are startled by these tanks. Although there are incredible weapons in countries like China, Russia, Iran, and Hamas, what makes the Merkava series unique and outstanding is its unique design philosophy, advanced protection systems, and multi-role capability. The ability to carry infantry or wounded soldiers, doubling as an armored personnel carrier, is a rare feature in main battle tanks. The firepower and precision are another feature that deserves to be feared. It is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore cannon, highly accurate and capable of firing advanced munitions. This advanced fire control system allows fire-on-the-move accuracy. These tanks are not limited by any chance. It is designed to excel not only in open fields, but also in dense urban environments, like those in Gaza and Lebanon. They are equipped with advanced armor modules, rear exiting ramps for infantry deployment, and internal air conditioning and overpressure systems to protect against chemical or biological threats. These features make it a game-changer on the battlefield. It's a highly protected mobile command unit, infantry carrier, and missile defense system in one vehicle. The 3-in-1 package deal was designed by the brains in Israel. Its design reflects Israel's specific defense needs, emphasizing crew survivability, advanced tech, and battlefield adaptability. There are reasons why every country takes a special interest in this one tank. China, Hamas, Russia, and Iran are all paying close attention to the Israeli Merkava tank for specific reasons. The reason for Hamas is personal. These Merkava main battle tanks frequently operate in Gaza and the border regions. While the go-to weapons of Hamas, the RPGs and ATGMs like Cornet, are largely neutralized by Israel's Trophy Active Protection System. The frequent defeats are caused by the Merkava machinery, for which Hamas needs to rethink how to breach Israeli armor. This has become a core part of its guerrilla strategy. Iran has a different reason. Iran backs groups like Hamas and Hezbollah, so they have an understanding of how crucial it is to counter these Israeli tanks. Iran has been on a quest to either replicate countermeasures or find weaknesses to exploit in asymmetric warfare. But this has been made impossible for Iran by the Israelis, as their battlefield innovations influence how Iran trains its proxies. Israel develops its own systems against it. The reason for Russia's interest in the Merkava series is a tech rival. Russian tanks like the T-72, T-90, and even T-14 Armata have suffered losses in Ukraine from Western anti-tank guided missiles. Israel's Trophy APS is something Russia has struggled to achieve. These work in combat and could be a relevant solution for the problems faced by Russia on the battlefield. Russia likely wants to study and counter or emulate trophy-style systems for its own use and exports. The country wants to learn from Israel. This is a major win for the country considering how incredible Russia is in its defense power. Out of all these countries, China is a silent watcher. China's VT-4 and Type 99 tanks are modern but not as proven in combat. With Israel offering a real-world testing ground for military hardware performance, China wants to study Israeli tank tech to improve its domestic systems, inform export strategy, and plan for potential AI-integrated warfare. China not only aims to take the combat power of the tanks, but also realizes the importance of integrating new changes, which will overcome the challenges faced by China on the battlefield. All the countries are interested in the Merkava main battle tanks for their incredible and unique features. Merkava is not just a tank, it's a glimpse into the future of ground warfare. Its combination of armor, AI, and survivability is reshaping how nations think about armored combat. This one tank can shift how nations plan their defense strategies, especially when it is as advanced and combat-proven as the Merkava of Israel. This tank is feared by the superpowers like Russia and China, as it's a redefinition of what armored warfare looks like in the 21st century. When a single tank can make old tactics obsolete and drive innovation worldwide, it becomes more than just a vehicle. It becomes a catalyst for global military evolution. And Merkava is one such. If your country could upgrade its tanks with one Israeli feature, what would it be? AI, trophy system, or front engine protection? If you were designing the next generation tank, what would you add the current ones don't have? Let us know through the comments. Your insights might strike a brand new innovation with the potential to change strategies on the battlefield. To keep updated about the secrets of nations and revolutionary machineries, such as Merkava, subscribe to the channel and keep supporting us. Do not forget the bell icon.